lawyers, are Facebook ads worth the time and money? Do you like these tips? Donate today at patreon.com/law firm tips to keep this boat afloat. Hi, my name's Mary Cary, legal marketing specialist, helping law firms grow and streamline their practices. So maybe you're on the fence, but you might want to start some Facebook ads. Maybe you heard it's easy, or maybe you heard it's complicated. Based on my extensive experience, I'd say it can be pretty complicated. The main place that you end up wasting time and money is if you don't understand the frame of mind of your potential clients. This is because you have to create some form of media first, right? This will be your ad that you're creating, and that's what they're going to see. If it's too flashy or doesn't speak to them right away, then they'll just scroll right past you and you won't get any clients. Then you have to understand the frame of mind for the ad objective. So they need lots of information. You set the ad up one way, and if they're ready to sign right away, you're going to set the ad up an entirely different way. If they're in a hurry to get your help, you'll give them a way to contact you immediately 24/7. So here's your takeaway. Remember, marketing isn't about you, it's about helping those who need you. Want to get a boatload of clients yourself? For a limited time, you can learn industry secrets in my exclusive Masterclass series, How to Create Facebook Messenger Ads. Go now to marycaryu.com, where I make Facebook ads much easier. I can't wait to see you there, and here's to your success.